Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel CodeWithAdi. Today in this video we are going to see how to install Python in our system. So first of all we will open a new tab and click on type download Python and head to python.org website and click on download Python 3.10.0. If your download doesn't start, click on over to downloads and click here. Download has started. I will cancel this setup as I have already downloaded it, and we will need one more software which is vscode. So we will type vscode download and go to code.visualstudio.com and click on Windows. If you are on another system, you can download here for Linux and for Mac. So after clicking on install Windows install, we will be directed to this website. I will cancel the setup and I will run the user setup of VS Code. We will wait till it opens. Installing Python is very easy. In 2 clicks, it gets installed. So it has opened. I will accept the agreement. Check these 4 boxes and click next and click install. It is being installed. We will wait. It is a little bit faster as I am on Windows 10. If you are on Windows XP or Vista 7, it will take some time. Not to worry. And it is necessary to check that 4 boxes. After some time, I will tell you what are the uses of that checking 4 boxes. So it is being installed. Yes, now it is installed on my computer. So I will uncheck this launch Visual Studio Code and click on finish. So now we will suppose I will open a random folder. I will open a folder, and when I right click in a folder, it is showing open with code. This is the use of that 4 boxes. If you have installed it correctly, then this option will be available on the system also. If not, rerun the setup. Your data will not be lost. Okay, then you will click on open with code. So in this video, we have installed VS Code, we have installed Python. Now we are going to install some extensions in VS Code. So let it open. It is opening. First time it takes some time after the installation. Okay, then now it is opened. Now we have to go to this tab in the left top left corner. There are 5 icons. This is the Explorer. and here the U folder we open Python tutorial. By clicking here you can create a new file, here new folder, refresh and collapse. Let's close the folders. So now this is the search, this is source control, this is run and debug. If there are some bugs in the code, it will tell us debug. And here is the extensions tab, click on it. After clicking, search for Python. After searching, first extension from Microsoft will come and then click on install. I have already installed it, so it is not showing. After installing, the it will show like this, uninstalling disable. So I close this. For creating a new file, we'll click on the new file button and take. I will name the file as 01 underscore first dot py. We cannot use spaces and it is necessary to give it extension as dot py. Okay, and then hit enter. The file is created. Now I will tell you some basic settings. Click on this gear icon and settings. This is a useful setting, and type zoom and check this box, mouse wheel zoom. This will allow you to control plus mouse wheel. See, it is zooming. For example, I will type CodeWithAdi and see it is zooming in, zooming out, zooming in. Yes. So then next, first of all, run a we will run a Python program, simple Python program, which is print brackets, double quotes, and code with Adi. And control yes to save. And to run this program, here is a small button in the top right corner. So click on it. It will open the terminal window. It will take some time. It is loading. For the first time, it will take some time. Don't worry. Now it will run this program. Yes. Now as you can see, it output is code with Adi. We printed code with Adi. We can change also. Yes. I'm learning Python with code with Adi. Control S to save and click on this. As you can see, it is very fast. I am learning Python with CodeWithAdi. If this button doesn't work, there is another way to run a program. That is, first type Python and program name. We will take 01 and press tab. It will auto-complete the name. Then I will press tab. Yes, 01 underscore. It has auto-completed it. So now we press enter. And as you can see, the output is here. I'm learning Python with CodeWithAdi. Now all this for this video, guys. I will see you in the next video. Thank you for watching. Like, share and subscribe my channel.